What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Gilbert, and I'm the owner and the CEO of the Leads in the Inbox Simple Automation Tools. First and foremost, my partner Mike and I want to welcome you to the private Facebook group, Credit Repair Marketing Materials. And as a thank you for joining the private community, we have a little welcome package ready for you. If you click on the link below, you'll be prompted to answer a couple questions so we can better get to know you and on how my partner Mike and I can better serve the community. After you fill out the quick form, you'll be prompted to download your welcome goodies. It's a little bit of done for you content that you can use however you please. Again, just as a little thank you for joining the community. Make sure that you guys are looking out for all of our emails. They'll be packed with lots of information and valuable content. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the private community. And if you haven't done so, send us both a friend request and make a post in the group to introduce yourself. Let us know where you're joining us from, a little bit of what you like to get out of the group, so once again, we can get a better understanding on how we can serve the community. Again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Gilbert, and I'm the owner and CEO of the Leads in the Inbox Simple Automation Tools, and we look forward to seeing you be a part of and engage in the growing community. See you guys on the inside.